Welcome to Master PK Crib, your go-to channel for personal finance tips. Today we're diving into budgeting and expense tracking to transform your financial future. Step 1 is identifying your income. Calculate your monthly earnings from all sources, including salary, investments, side hustles, and freelance work. Knowing your total income is crucial for effective budgeting. Next, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Essential expenses include housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Discretionary spending covers dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. This distinction helps prioritize spending. Now set your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve, such as building an emergency fund, repaying debt, wealth building, or saving for retirement. Goals guide your budgeting decisions. Create a budget plan using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This structure ensures balanced spending. Track your expenses diligently. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Personal Capital, spreadsheets, or notebooks. Record every transaction, no matter how small, to maintain accuracy. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Compare actual spending to your plan and make necessary changes. This keeps your budget aligned with your financial goals. Congratulations! You've set up a budget and expense tracking system. Stay consistent for financial stability.